Okay, what is going on? Today we are removing my rear subframe. Getting the heater all set up right now because it is absolutely cold as shit. So we're gonna get that ripping. Brandon's gonna help me out. Cheap labor again. And I'll show you guys as we go along. Little update, it's dead ass, probably been 15 minutes and we already got this thing out. That was quick as fuck. This is probably like the smoothest I've ever done anything on this car. What do you think, Brandon?
That was fucking easy, dude.
That was easy. So now we're gonna start tearing it apart, and then maybe go grab the 415 and start painting this bitch today. Alright guys, so as you can see, subframe getting pretty stripped. Taking off all the suspension because none of it's going back on. I got all new shit. I'll show that off later. And yeah, so once all that's stripped, I'll show you guys again, and then we're gonna start cleaning it up. And Brandon's gonna get to painting. So. Alright, we just got all that suspension off. Looking pretty bare. Gonna take the diff off. Start taking these bushings out. Yeah, those are heavy as shit, by the way. Anyway, we're gonna take all these bushings out of here. That should be fun. That'll probably take a while. Start cleaning this thing up, make a Harbor Freight run. Pick up the 415 and start getting her done today. Okay, we are about to go to Home Depot to pick up a wire wheel so we can clean this up. And as you can tell, I got a lot of axle grease on there. One of my axles came apart. I have no idea how. Where is it? Oh yeah, right there. So we're gonna go do that, and then Brandon's gonna start cleaning that up. I'll start working on getting the bushings out, and then maybe we'll be able to throw some paint on today. Not quite sure, but I'll let you guys know as we get going. Here's the absolute rocket we're taking to Home Depot. Brandon,
Oh, hey.
put those things away, alright? Absolute rocket. Okay, so we just got back from Home Depot, and I'm about to sawzall these bushings out, and then we're gonna start cleaning this shit up, and then picked up the 415 silver permanent rust solution. So this subframe is gonna be rust proof, which is gonna be dope as fuck. So I'm gonna get started right here. And Brandon can, you know, show a little bit of me cutting here. I'm gonna hammer this bad bitch out. Damn, we're getting there.
Alright, maybe.
Whoa, dog. Jumping a little ahead here. Still got 3 more of these. 2, technically, but. This is it. This is it.
I never thought I'd see the day.
Oh, still. Hell yeah. Minimal cutting here.
Not bad.
Not bad, a lot better than that one.
Not bad.
We're good, we're good. Alright, you can fuck off.
Yeah.
Still got 2 more.
Thing. No. Oh, that was fucking loud, dude.
Yeah, it was. Damn. Little wound, but all of them are out. So, all done with that. I'm gonna start wire wheeling it. Brandon's gonna leave me. I'm gonna go clean up my finger first. And who knows? Maybe I'll paint it tonight, right, Brandon?
Yeah. No, you won't.
So that's it for now.
It's fucking cold in here. We haven't had the heater on the past like hour.
Dude, I'm not cold at all.
Shut up.
I'm not cold at all.
Shut up.
My ass is sweating from this.
Alright. Okay. Subframe bushings, all good.
Looking good.
Hey, keep going.
We did a little honing too.
Keep going. Alright. So now we're just kind of cleaning off the majority of the stuff. Getting it ready for the pour 15. It's gonna be like the same color as the front subframe. It's like a silver metallic. Should match pretty good. And yeah.
Good job, Brandon. We're proud of you.
Hey boys. Hey dude. Hey dude.
Hey dude.
Hey.
All right, so the subframe's on this nice little stand. I'm cleaning it up, and then I'm gonna start brushing it on.
Hey.
Big bitch right there.
That is one thick bitch.
Oh fuck me.
All right.
All right. Getting ready to put the first stroke on here. So here we go. You guys ready for this?
Not bad. Good
Oh.
form. Good form.
That's gonna take a while.
Good form though, honestly.
That's gonna take a while, but it looks pretty good. Not bad, not bad. It'll work. I mean, it's a subframe.
What do you think?
No one's gonna see it, so.
You like the outcome of it so far?
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy with it.
Right.
For being able to paint over rust,
Yeah,
can't beat it.
for sure.
Can't beat it. Okay, guys, pretty far along here. It's looking hella good. It's starting to get cold as shit. As you saw earlier in the video, heater is out of gas right now.
Queefed out.
Yep. But it's looking pretty good for something that you'll never see. Pretty happy with it. Okay, guys, it's cold as absolute shit. So I'm gonna go home and then I'll come back tomorrow, layer down, do the parts that I can't do right now because of the way it's sitting, and then we'll have Brandon start on the diff. That's pretty much it. Hey, what's going on, guys?
Whoa.
The subframe's all, painted. Brandon got a little fucking messy. By a little, I mean a lot. Literally, this dude dripped fucking everywhere.
Dude, I was getting the coverage.
This dude dripped like half my $40, $50 pour 15 container.
I had to get the coverage. Look up in there.
But it does look pretty good. Dries glossy, which we found out earlier today, and we're gonna let this dry. Probably come back tomorrow. Bushings are in the freezer.
Oh, dude.
Throw those bad girls in.
We still got to do a few more coats on this because it's kind of splotchy, but it looks kind of weird with the metallic. Like,
A few more coats.
yeah, look, it's not.
Dude, no. We're not putting a few more coats on.
Right here.
Anyway, once this dries, we're gonna send the bushings in and put this in the car. We're not putting more coats on this. What's going on? It's a new day. Gonna be putting the subframe bushings in today. Subframe actually looks pretty good. Brandon got a lot of runs, like I said, but I don't really care because it is my rear subframe. It's gonna be under the car, and at least it's protected from rust and stuff. So that's pretty much what it's looking like right now before I get the bushings in. Got to finish painting these two brackets and then we'll be good to go. So I'll show you guys when I start to put the bushings in. Getting the bushings out of the freezer right now. Look at those bad boys. A little fucked up from yesterday, but it's alright,
Idiot.
Let's go slap these fuckers in. These are cold as absolute shit. What if they just slide in?
That'd be fucking nice.
I'd be hyped. Ooh, fuck.
No.
She's got a ways to go. Stand on it.
Is it going?
Let me get wood under it so it doesn't bounce. Yeah, it's going though. She's going. Shit.
Barely. Dude, run. Hurry, dude. It's getting warm.
A little bit.
Hurry, dude. Whoa. Jesus Christ, dude.
Is it even going? What the fuck?
We need lube. Lube fixes everything. Mark my words.
We should probably heat up the subframe.
Why?
Because it's cold as absolute shit.
Alright, let's heat up the subframe.
Here. There you go. Oh shit, is that heater off? Because it's gonna blow the fuse. Alright, we're good?
Yeah.
Show me your runs.
Dude, I had to get coverage, man. Gave it a little nip.
Look at that one.
Those are sexy, dude.
Alright. Hope this fucking works.
Going?
Oh, she's going. Oh! Fucking worked.
No way, dude.
Yeah, it worked. Oh, fuck, hold on. One more. Ah. Holy shit, it actually worked. Damn, that's how you get some bushings in right there. That's how it's done. We're gonna do the rest of these. Maybe video a little more, but doubt it, because you get the point.
It's the key right there. Fucking science.
Alright, we're about to put the last bushing in. This third one we just threw in was an absolute bitch, but Brandon had the genius idea of throwing some WD-40 in.
Lube up!
And apparently it worked.
And it smelled like ass.
It did, it smelled like sewage for some reason. So we're about to throw this one in. And then this baby's going back in the car today. Look at this fucking shit. Oh, you're videoing?
Finger painting with Austin.
Fucking screwdriver painting. Oh. Damn, that looks good as fuck. Besides all the runs.
Hey, it's fucking covered, alright?
No, the runs aren't that bad.
Look at that. Shined up, she's going in the freaking car, dude. Ooh, woo!
I just fucking plugged it in, that's why.
Dude,
Plugged for like 20 minutes, or charged for like 20 minutes.
that doesn't mean it's fucking full battery.
It means it's full battery.
No, it doesn't.
Anyway, guys, subframe's in the car, so that's gonna be in this video. Brandon, let's go over there and show him real quick. Something all the way tightened down. Still have 2 brackets we're waiting on to dry. And then get that bitch in there, torque it down, and then you guys will get to start to see all this crazy ass suspension that's going on in this car. And we still need to paint the wheel wells, which I forgot about. So
Same colors.
yeah.
This shit, it's gonna look fucking sick.
Yeah, so we gotta go get some shit maybe tomorrow or today, I don't know. But anyway, that's gonna be the end of this fucking video. So let me know what you thought, and like, comment, subscribe. Brandon, you got anything you wanna say?
Yeah, you're gay.
Alright, you're fucking gay.